A new legal battle is looming over Kevin Spacey. In October 2026, 3 civil lawsuits accusing him of sexual assault are slated to go to trial in London's High Court. The allegations come from 3 men who say they were abused by Spacey between 2000 and 2015. One of the claimants, Ruari Cannon, a former performer, has publicly waived his anonymity. The other 2 wish to remain unnamed in publicly available court records. According to the claims, one man alleges he was assaulted on about a dozen occasions between 2000 and 2005. Another describes a single incident in 2008 after meeting Spacey at a workshop tied to his theater work. At a recent preliminary hearing, a judge provisionally set October 12, 2026 as the start date for a 3-week civil trial window. What remains unclear is whether the 3 cases will be heard together in a single trial or separately. Prosecutors are pushing for a combined hearing, aiming to avoid repetitive testimony, while the defense argues the cases are distinct and should proceed separately. This isn't the first time Spacey has faced legal scrutiny. In 2023, he stood trial in the UK on criminal sexual assault charges, but was acquitted on 9 counts. Still, the emergence of fresh civil suits highlights ongoing concerns and renewed scrutiny from accusers. Spacey has formally denied the new claims. In recent statements, he described his financial and professional situation as bleak, saying legal and personal struggles over the past several years have left him living in hotels or short-term accommodations and trying to rebuild his career. He compared the predicament to a form of Hollywood blacklisting and claimed he's been working nonstop despite difficulties. With the upcoming trial, public attention is likely to intensify. Fans, critics, legal observers, all will be watching how the courts handle these allegations. Will the claims be consolidated or separated? What evidence will come forward? And how will this impact Spacey's attempts at a professional comeback? For now, Spacey remains under a legal cloud. The scheduled civil trial could mark a significant chapter in a long and controversial saga. October 2026 might be a moment of reckoning, not just for the actor, but for a conversation about accountability, justice, and the voices of survivors seeking closure. If you're following the case or just want updates, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. As soon as the court proceedings begin, we'll break down key details, dates, and reactions. Until then, stay informed, stay aware with no intervals.